Hi, I'm Sam from the Climbing Hangar, and this week we have reset Zone 6. Things I like about this zone is we've got this slab feature which is really enhanced by the use of a few volumes. On the other side we've got a little mini roof, there's loads of arêtes, loads of corners. It's just a total mixed bag, and as I said, by putting a few little volumes on in choice places you can totally alter the features of the wall. So my favourite thing about this zone is because there's so many inbuilt features into the wall, you can create really interesting climbs, going between really techie, scary corners, slabs, also really delicate arête climbs. Hope you enjoy the problems as much as we have enjoyed setting and testing them, and we'll see you at the wall when you come down.